Hey everyone, welcome back to FitLift Life, your go-to spot for all things health and fitness. Today, we're diving into a super important topic that can take your workouts to the next level: how to improve your stamina and endurance. Whether you're training for a marathon, trying to keep up with your kids, or just want to feel more energized throughout the day, this video is for you. First, let's quickly break down what stamina and endurance actually mean. Stamina refers to your ability to sustain physical or mental effort for a prolonged period. It's what keeps you going strong during a tough workout or a long day at work. Endurance, on the other hand, is your body's ability to keep going over an extended period, often used in the context of cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, or swimming. Think of stamina as your short-term energy burst, while endurance is your long-term fuel. Both are crucial for overall fitness, and today, we're going to focus on how you can boost both. Now, you might be wondering, why is building stamina and endurance so important? Well, improving these can lead to better overall health, increased energy levels, and enhanced mental clarity. Plus, you'll find that your workouts become more effective, and you'll recover faster. Who doesn't want that? And it's not just about fitness. Strong stamina and endurance can improve your daily life, making it easier to tackle chores, play with your kids, or even stay focused at work.
All right, let's get into the good stuff. How to actually improve your stamina and endurance. Here are some key exercises and tips to get you started. Interval training. Combine short bursts of high-intensity exercise with periods of rest or low-intensity activity. This can be as simple as sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for 1 minute. Repeat for 20-30 minutes. Long-distance workouts. Whether it's running, cycling, or swimming, gradually increase your distance over time. Start with a comfortable distance and add a little more each week. Strength training. Building muscle supports endurance. Focus on compound movements like squats, lunges, and deadlifts, which work multiple muscle groups at once. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 3 to 4 workouts per week that focus on endurance and stamina. Consistency over time is what will lead to real improvements. Exercise is just one part of the equation. Your lifestyle plays a huge role in building stamina and endurance too. Here are some tips. Nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated. Sleep. Your body needs time to recover. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your energy levels high. Stress management. Chronic stress can zap your energy and hinder your endurance. Incorporate stress relief techniques like meditation, yoga, or even just deep breathing into your daily routine. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when trying to improve stamina and endurance. Avoid these, and you'll see better results. Overtraining. Pushing too hard without giving your body time to recover can lead to burnout or injury. Listen to your body. Neglecting nutrition. Skipping meals or eating poorly will leave you feeling sluggish. Remember, food is fuel. Ignoring rest. Recovery days are just as important as workout days. Don't skip them.
And there you have it. Everything you need to know to start building your stamina and endurance today. Remember, it's all about consistency, balanced with the right exercises and lifestyle choices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.